Good morning, dear student. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay, so dear student, this is Joy Singh. As you all know, your maths teacher. So welcome back to the maths class. So student, I have completed unit 7. Okay, that is division. So today I am going to discuss about the division as a reverse process of multiplication. Division जो है वो division as रिवर्स प्रोसेस, ये रिवर्स प्रोसेस है आपका किसका, ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओके, रिवर्स प्रोसेस ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो सी हियर, if we add 4 rapidly 3 times, we get 12. Okay, thus 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Means 3 into 4 is equals to 12. Okay, so अगर आप इसको subtract करते हैं, let us subtract 4 rapidly, so it will come, आप इसको subtract करते हैं, then it will come 12 divided by 4 and answer will come 3. Okay, and या आप इसको ये भी कर सकते हो और 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. ठीक है, ये दोनों प्रोसेस आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो इसमें. ठीक है, ये जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, ये जो डिवीजन है, ये आपका रिवर्स प्रोसेस ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. Means 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3 और 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Okay, इसका दोनों आंसर आएगा. So let's see how it comes. See, 12 divided by 4 minus 4 one time 8, again minus 4 2 time 4, again minus 4 0 3 times. So it means 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Okay, this is the process. 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Okay student, so like this आप 12 को जब 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, then answer will come 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. सो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन की रिवर्स प्रोसेस है. ठीक है, now see the exercises. Now come to page 104. पेज 104 पे आप लोग आइए. नाउ राइट 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट फॉर ईच मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट. यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट आपका राइट डाउन है. आपको क्या राइट डाउन करना है, राइट 2 डिवीजन, राइट 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन इज 5 into 3 is equals to 50. Okay, question is this. So आपको यहाँ 2 डिवीजन फैक्ट राइट डाउन करना है. 7 into 4 is equals to 28. 6 into 3 is equals to 18. 9 into 8 is equals to 72. Then 8 into 7 is equals to 56. So can you see on the whiteboard student? See, 15 threes, 5 threes are 15. Here multiplication is this. You have to write down division fact. इसमें आपको 2 division fact write down करनी है. So here it is 5 threes are 15. So आप जब 15 divide 3 करेंगे तो answer will come 5. 15 divided by 3 answer comes 5. और 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. आपके क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर है. ओके, now like this, see here, 7 4s are 28. So 28 divided by 4 is equals to 7. जब आप 28 को 4 टाइम डिवाइड 28 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 तो आंसर आपका 7 आएगा. और 28 डिवाइडेड बाई 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 4. और आप 28 को डिवाइड करेंगे 7 से तो आंसर विल कम 4. ओके, नाउ 6 3s are 18 means 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. 18 को जब आप 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर विल कम 6. और 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 3. ओके, और 18 को जब 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा आपका 3. तो इट इज व्हाट, इट इज डिवीजन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ मीन्स रिवर्स प्रोसेस ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, इसका ये रिवर्स प्रोसेस है. ओके, नाउ सी 9 8s are 72 और आप 72 को डिवाइड करेंगे 8 से तो आंसर विल कम व्हाट, आंसर विल कम 9. और आप 72 को जब डिवाइड करेंगे 9 से तो आंसर विल कम 8. Okay, now 8 7s are 56. So 56 divided by 7 is equals to 8. Or 56 divided by 8 is equals to 7. Okay, student. So these are the division fact and on page 104. So do it in your book, student. Done everyone? Okay, come to the next question. Now here you have written 2 division fact from multiplication fact. आप multiplication fact से division fact आपने अभी write down किया है. अब you are going to write one multiplication fact for each of the following division facts. अब आपको क्या write down करना है? Write one multiplication fact. अब आपको वन मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्ट राइट डाउन करना है. ओके, सो सी हियर 24 divided by 4 is equals to 6. 27 divided by 3 is equals to 9. 72 divided by 9 is equals to 8. So see the answer here. See, 24 divided by 4 is equals to 6. Means 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 को 4 से आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर विल कम 24. ओके, नाउ सी 27 divided by 3 is equals to 9. Means 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. Okay, now see 8 nines are 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72 or 9 8s are 72. Okay, both are same. Now next question, 36 divided by 4 is equals to 9. 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. 24 divided by 8 is equals to 3. 48 divided by 6 is equals to 8. 25 divided by 5 is equals to 5. 54 divided by 9 is equals to 6. Okay, so see here 36 divided by 4. 36 को 4 से आपने डिवाइड करा तो आंसर विल कम 9. So now you are going to write down the multiplication. So 9 fours are 9 into 4 is equals to 36. 9 fours are 36. Okay, now see here 9 into 5 is equals to 45. Means 9 fives are 45. Okay, now see 3 8s are 3 into 8 is equals to 24. And here 8 6s are 8 into 6 is equals to 48. Okay student, 5 5s are 5 into 5 is equals to 25. And 6 9s are 6 into 9 is equals to 54. Okay, Okay students, so I hope you all have completed page number 104. Okay, and also student, please keep practicing and division. It is division, so you have to learn the table from 2 to 15. Okay, आपको 2 to 15 तक table आना चाहिए. So you have to learn the table also, and please complete up to page 104 in your book. Okay, so till then keep practicing, keep learning, keep connected. Bye.